Okay, coming into the last car wash, and yeah, I think it is what I think it is. There's also a laundromat here as well. My only guess at this place was a 4,000, and I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Yeah, this is a Wash Me. Oh, custom graphics. I think I might be able to use my quarters on this one. Yeah, 4,000 with laser dries. Is this one of those, what do you call it? LaserWind? Because the dryer doesn't look like it's on a separate mount. That would be cool if it is. So yeah, a 9, 10, 12, and 13. I have enough quarters to do for most of this. And then I can use a couple ones. And that should work out nicely. It's gonna be a few minutes, so yeah. Stay open, isn't it? That's gonna be annoying. Wait. The quarter slot is not working. It's sending them right back to the return bin, so okay. Alright, can't use my quarters. I've been trying to use them up and I just can't. Man. What do I do? Use another 20? Not really. I will. I just don't enjoy doing these sprees anymore, just because way more often than it should, I just have things go wrong, or things just not cooperate. Took the treadle out of this one. Cones. Actually, this might be a LaserWind dryer. 4,000 I finally found. We'll see. Although I've heard a lot of them don't work anymore. So yeah, it looks like the dryer is on the same track as the wash. Okay, I have like notifications on here. Well, I know these videos will carry me through May, and then I might spree in a different state, and then we'll see if I want to come back here to film some more, but I don't know yet. I want to briefly show. I have to put it into manual for this to work. The dryer looks to be on the same track as the wash. And yeah, there's no tri-foam on this one because it looks pretty old. I know it says waxing. The old school blue stuff. I think this is probably the first spree I've done where all the washes have been touchless. It's because I did AccuTrack, Condor, Typhoon, and then a 4000. Yeah, here's our spot free. So moment of truth, that right after this. Oh wait, I didn't even read what it said on the dryer gantry. I'll have to do that when the wash arm passes by. Yep, it says LaserWind docking dryer. I have to show it right there. Yeah, look at that. Sweet, that's my first one of these. Yeah, it's disabled on here. But it's cool that it is one of those. Huh. I wonder if like they just removed the mechanism on that side. Can't see on that side either, but wash still seems pretty good though, so good to know. Yeah, the LaserWind docking dryer. This doesn't dry quite as good as other laser dryers I've seen. So. Oh, there's a little bit of soap I see. Well, it seemed like an okay wash. It wasn't super terrible, but I can go this way. Drive through. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it.